Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome back to another video. This is Lakshya here. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make this epic XP farm, and this farm will produce tons and tons of XP, right, as you can see here. And what you have to do, you have to just turn on this lever and it will produce like green level. As you can see, it is not suckable by the underhopper because the block has been powered. As you can see from the down here, these hoppers are connected to each other and giving this green light to this large chest. So it's quite easy to make, but it's like tough to make because it requires like 57 amount of hopper, which is an enormous amount of hoppers and iron. And 5 furnace is easy, you can just craft them, but the cactus you have to find the desert biome, and for the bamboo you have to find the jungle bamboo biome or jungle biome. You can find all the cactus only in the jungle bamboo or in the jungle biome. Okay, so let's head over to the build, shall we? So the stuff you're gonna be needing is this. I mean, it's quite not the last thing, and the stuff is 2 observer, 3 cactus, mainly 3, but you will require only 1 for this. You can just keep the 2. Then 5 furnace, it is the limit, you cannot increase. Then 64 block of a choice, 3 lever, 4 torches, redstone torches, 27 hoppers, a stack of scaffolding. I mean, you have to find the jungle biome to get these scaffolding, and bamboo, 4 bamboo. I mean, 2 bamboo you need, but in case if you just like drop 2 or 1 bamboo, you will be needing 4. You can keep 3 with you, you will require only 1. Then 9 redstone dust, 4 sand, 10 pistons, 4 sticky piston. I mean, sticky piston you can find in jungle temples. I mean, 2 or 3. If you just find 2 jungle temples, your work has been done. Or you have to make a slime farm to get the slime balls, and then you convert the normal piston to the sticky piston. You will be needing a bunch of chests. I am taking 8 for the moment, and some 12 glass. You can just take glass or any other block, but glass looks way more cooler than that. So now you have to build the farm. So first of all, take I'm very bad in placing this scaffolding. Okay. Yes, we will needing 2 blocks at the top. Now go up and place 1 block. This is will be your block for the starting round. Now sneak at the edge of it and just place 1 block and then go 1 more up. And this thing. Okay, wait a minute, I'm just doing it a wrong way. Sorry, I wasn't doing this thing wrong. I will needing this block here. So that block was for temporary thing. You can just break it as you want, and this will create like a horn shape. Now you will need 2 redstone dust here. It requires less redstone, but it's easy to make. No more come. Now take some sticky pistons and then place them at the side of it. Take the lever and the torches with you, and first of all just go at the side of it. Now just break this thing and place the lever. Now place 2 torches at the side of it like this, like so. Now turn on the levers so that the things don't start firing like crazy. Now take your pistons and place them like this. So it is like zero tick farm for cactus and bamboo. Sorry. And yep. Now you will need some sand. Sorry for the background noises because I'm not in my house, I'm just outside I'm in my studio. So first of all, you will needing like this to and then break the top one. So it will be not the baby form, it will just like sort of growth has been done. And now if I just turn this thing on, this is, but you will be needing some sort of like thing to break the top of it. So take your piston, now take your block of your choice, now place it right here, and now go down, take your another piston, and that's it. It is completed. The bamboo work has been done. So now what you will need is to store this thing. Wait a minute guys. Sorry guys for a moment, I was just chilling out. So you have to just place the chest like so, and then place the hopper on the top of it. Now for the cactus you have to go one up of it. Now first of all, I am just suggesting you to build this XP farm in your creative world, then have some looky dooky of it, and then try to like sort of mimic it to your survival world. That will be very, very helpful for you. Now I have take the glass and the carpet for some prevention. For example, some mob like creeper spawn at the top of the farm, it will be not that much great. So now create this sort of thing, like adding the block on the top of it. Now this will like prevent the bamboo to be not to fall outside the farm, and you have to place the carpet so that the mob can should not be spawning on the top of it. And you can place some torch, so you can place these torches too, but I don't think so torches will look good, and this is for the look also and to prevent this thing. Now come to the build. We need a block of a choice, and they have to just mimic this thing in front of it, and it will be done easily. So I'm just gonna be cutting this part of the video because so I will just build this thing and I'm coming back in a moment. So guys, I have built this farm, and I mean not fully build it, I have just mimicked the bamboo inside of it, like I have just placed the cactus in it so that the cactus supply should also be in the go. Now here comes the tricky part. You will need 5 furnaces, so 5 furnaces here, like this thing. And if you want like only the cactus and the bamboo farm, you are done, because it will produce the bamboo and cactus very, very frequently without lag. As you can see, good speed. Now bamboo will produce like the double of the speed, because bamboo, when you just smelt something in the furnace, the bamboo will like smelt the thing into bamboo. So that's the thing we are doing here. And this farm depends on the nature of the furnace. For the when you just smelt some items, like we smelt some iron, some like gold, when you get some XP, that's the thing we are working on now. So I have built this thing, so you have to make like some chain kind of stuff happening. What you will needing, and then just under this thing place some 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5th furnace. That's the limit. You cannot increase the amount of furnaces. And then hoppers on the top of it, and then hoppers at the back of it. Okay, sorry. I just press the Q button, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take one more block here. These are temporary block, you will get this back. Sorry. So guys, my recorder got stopped in between, so I'm really sorry about it. And we have done the job here. We have to just place that block. Now you have to take the hopper from this thing, so it will just shoot the bamboo in it. Now I have said you will need some scaffolding for the building this farm. That's it. Now this thing has started working, and that one is working from a very long time, so I'm just gonna be going and check it. And this farm is completed. It is fully completed. That's it. That's really it. And I'm very sorry about my skin. I have not used my skin, but it is okay. I'm playing in Alex. My skin has got lost it, and I have to get my skin back. So I'm just search it and get my skin back from the website from where I had just created. And I will show you the amount of XP that I have. I will just got from this thing. So / game mode. So I am out of XP now, 1 bit of XP. So I'll just turn this lever on, and the XP we get from the first furnace, which is burning from starting. As you can see, 13 level only from the one, and these 3 gives me 21 levels. This is quite great, and I haven't AFK for a while. This thing is working continuously and producing bamboo like crazy. The producing green dye, sorry, not bamboo. Bamboo is being used here. What? Sorry, I am in survival. Okay, I'm in my restaurant. So this produces bamboo in a good quantity. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my survival world. And my survival has been lost it, so I will play in my another survival world. But don't worry, guys, the video will come very soon for the new survival world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode or tutorial. And make sure to subscribe the channel and hit a bell icon to never miss an upload. And please give a like, and thank you, and just share the video and comment down below what you want. Until then, I'll be back with another video.